Welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disable location in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to disable your location settings, so then how can you disable it? In this video guys I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So guys, first of all guys, we will on our phone setting and we will scroll it. Friends, you can see phone location setting guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see your phone location setting guys. Friends, you want to disable this location setting, you can disable it. So friends, right side use location setting guys. This icon guys, you can see this icon on your screen. You want to remove, you can remove from here. So we will tap here to disable location. This icon will remove on screen. So as you can see, your location is off, means your location is disabled. So like that guys, you can disable your phone location in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friend. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.